Guys, Flex Friday. Bam. Yeah. So just finished total body of T25. I'm doing a hybrid of P90X3, T25, and the one sneak preview of the 21-day fix plyo workout that I have. This is a reminder to you guys that the 21-day fix is available on February 3rd, which is Monday. And with that, it's a plan, it's a complete workout plan. You work out 7 days a week, 30 minutes a day. You're given your complete meal plan. You're given containers that they tell you different categories of food to fit into each color-coded container, so you have portion control. Because many times, I mean, you can have a great big salad and you eat that whole thing, you're stretching your stomach out and you think, oh, it's just a salad, but it's a salad, you know, you're dumping the dressing on there. So you're doing more harm than good. And I think that's one of the things that a lot of people struggle with, is that portion control. So we take the guesswork out of it for you. I've got a great big group. Well, not really great big. It's a pretty, I want to keep it a little more intimate this time, group. I'm going to be doing it with you guys. We're going to start on February 17th, the 21-day fix, baby. Get in it with us. Hit me up. Message me. I'm here. Want to work with you guys. Have a great weekend. I hope you enjoy the Super Bowl, whoever you're rooting for. All right, you guys, make it a great day. Make it a great weekend. Peace out.